Good morning, So, how are my 10th ICSE doing? Okay only. I heard very great. Yesterday there was a test. Every Sunday, you guys are now into that same group. I think math and science, or what was it? Okay. So it's so early morning to teach, but it is for you guys. It's okay, na? Your school starts by 7:30. Madam Ji, you have to ask my permission. I'm here. You are waving your friend to move out. So, hey guys, there are 2-3 things. Just close the door and wait. You heard what I'm saying? Just wait for 2 minutes. So, how many are having their mobile? Just pick it up. So, there's a collection center to be opened up. So, I'm putting it into silent, which you might have already done. And This person keep all the 3 mobiles to your side, to that window. Similar as you. And normally we keep it in the office. Early morning में भी कोई assumptions नहीं, better. You collect the mobile and keep it on that corner. This person, वो bench का उधर जाएगा. And you should be away from that. Open नहीं रहने का. Keep it silent. So I am keeping it. Which I will not be done. At least for the next 1 hour or 1.5 hours. Will do. You have kept it. उसको बंद कर देना. फिर वो call आएगा, message आएगा. No. Flap. One will do. It's okay, fine. So what we have to remember? Let's see. Come in. Then I think we have picked up the chapter called. Come in. So then we have started with the chapter called climate. Luckily, we had only 1 lecture or 2 lectures of climate. 2 lectures. So I will be taking more 3 lectures to finish off that topic today. Since it is 90 minutes topic, close to 3 hours. So early morning, you want the theory to be start, or shall we do some numericals? Same chapter. Numericals. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा algebra के expression नहीं पूछेगा. So we will start with numericals. If you guys are happen to cursing early morning 7:30 रखा उसका चक्कर. Cheer up. I don't want any sleeping ducks. सब है. But I could see my wonderful people standing out. एक कॉलेज का जैसा बाहर खड़े रह के gossiping चालू था. That's good. ऐसे environment खड़ा करो. But instead of standing out, इधर आ जाओ और AC का हवा आराम से करो. चलो. Pick up that volume. You have some good number of numericals in that same chapter. Climate. It's a page number. It is 84. Question number 18. I'll be doing some for you. Some matlab all. So that at least first half an hour, some are twisting their eyes, some are blinking. It's okay. But मुझे पता नहीं. Every year, this season I really love it. In fact, I think नेहरू का lecture 7 बजे रखा था, but now they have shifted to 7:30. Don't worry. So even if you 7 बजे, out of these two, one come here. You come here. To be the intelligence one. आजा इधर. If he talks next time looking at you, both will be out. I don't want any big discipline issue which I don't do. But yeah, sir, इसने बोला, उसने बोला, ये बोल रहा है. Next time you look at him and say anything. Look at question number 18. I'm reading it. Pick up your original pen notebook, and we'll start with certain numericals today. How many of you know today is what? But Maharashtra Day. It's a holiday. But are you laborers? Laborers to which organization? दोनों को बाहर जाना पड़ेगा. And take my permission. And wait outside. How many minutes did you wait? You wait for 3 minutes. Close the door. ठीक है ना? 1 minute extra punishment. What did I say? Laborers Day we celebrate. International Laborers Day. आप लोग अभी लेबर नहीं बनेगा. You all will be in officer class only ना. तो है जो हमारे का काम करेगा. अभी कौन सा हमारे लिए? अरे this is studies. 1 minute. उसका हाथ उठाने के लिए तेरा हेल्प कर दो. बस. So today we are celebrating International Laborers Day, where it is for the countries called Russia. Russia सुना है? ये वहाँ से है और इंडिया में भी आज पूरा बैंक हॉलीडे है. And मुझे याद है मैं 12 का लेक्चर लेगा तो I say it is a dry day. Just 2 minutes. I say it is a dry day. तो तुरंत स्टूडेंट को सर I understand what is dry day. Dry day समझता है लड़के लोग? मतलब उस दिन पानी नहीं मिलता है. दूसरा टाइप का. चलो. So let us write the numerical. Page number is what? Page number 18. Page number 84. Question number 18. Who will read for me? The person who has entered. What's her name? Ashia, please stand up and. You were there last class. You were there. Come in, guys. सुना तो ठीक है तुम लोग. ओए, come. Call that people also. Come. Both are here. You तू जा. इन दोनों को इधर. Late arrivals मतलब balcony से. Come on please. We are page number 84, question number 18. Everyone keep a pencil ready. She's ready. Come on, Ashi. वो mobile formula बता दो. Switch off the mobile or turn the mobile. Go to the left hand side and keep both the mobile. All students. हाँ नहीं वहीं पे रखो ना. कोई लेके जाएगा तो. Guys, come on quick. How many are not having the volume? And मेरे पास तो है. हाँ. Stand up. I told you last class. Yes, madam. Carry it. You got his speed. रात को लेकर आके not given. मैडम you start reading. Let you guys stand. जा ऑफिस में है मेरे लिए मिल रहा है तो तुझे क्यों नहीं मिलेगा. Come on Ashi, read. उतना डिटेल नहीं जाना. हाँ, just read the question. Read the questions below. Move in. Okay, thank you, Ashi. Sit down. So, out of this, the first question they are asking, page number I have written on the board. Everyone, those who are joining, they first ask the name the driest month. So there are two columns they have given, not two columns, two horizontal rows. One they have given temperature, other they have given rainfall in centimeters. Correct? For driest month, which row you have to study? Rainfall. Pakka. Now you are getting the chance. If you answer that question, you can sit down. Name the driest month. Second question तेरे लिए. रुक जा. ये बेचारे लोग. हाँ. Is it March is the right answer? Everyone look at the month of March. How much rainfall it is there? 1.3 centimeters. Please sit down. So everyone write page number 84 in your notebook, question number 18:1, and write March is the month of. Everyone write it in your notebook. March is the month of driest month. Correct? March is the month of driest month. And you have to write the how much centimeter is the rainfall? 1.3 is it? Yes, sir. Please everyone write that also in your brackets. Okay, next he is going to read the question. Second question. It is whenever they ask you the question called, everyone look here, annual rainfall. There is a trick in the word. Then they might ask you annual range. Is both this question asking the same? You stand there. What is the difference between annual and annual range? No idea. What is annual first of all? Yearly. Now the question is annual rainfall. What will be the formula? You have to add the rainfall from the month of January up till the month of December. This is for annual. If they ask you the word annual range, you have to no. That is good. Annual range, you have to take the highest minus the lowest. Generally, they ask for the temperature. So now we are finding out what annual or annual range. Then add it up. Everyone, please add in the notebook. You also add. If the answer matches, you are sitting down. Are you understanding what I am asking you to do? It is answer number 2. We are finding out annual rainfall. Everyone, please add up. Only to add annual rainfall. And you have to add from Jan, Feb, correct? March, April, up till December. No division, no average, nothing. Only addition. Come on, everyone, do it. Who comes first? Let me see. Aram se karo, but do it in your notebook. I ask you to stand up, boy. Volume नहीं मिला तो please force them to get it. क्या reason बोला अभी उन्होंने? तो पूछा क्या? आज मैंने भेजा. उसके पहले पूछा Who is Ashmit Dinesh? And then there is Shalin. Who are very active in the social arena? Active, they do some work. IG is it? Second lecture I'll release what I'm going to. IG क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग? IG ना? वो क्या होता है? IS? IG is Insta, I know that. हाँ, what does IS stands for? कुछ नहीं. फिर मेरा उधर का 12th का स्टूडेंट बोला Snapchat भी है. No, I am not coming into it. I'm just asking. So I'm going to go a little bit of technical. YouTube में भी कुछ डालेगा मैं. My own. Where you guys can log in. Anybody ready with the answer? Sir, 128.6. If you are talking, you are taking 2% out. Keep talking, then don't come. Yes, ma'am. 128.6 centimeters. Let's see how many are. Anybody from the girls? The answer I got it from one student is 128. Am I correct? 128.6 centimeters. पहले ही variations आया है. Let's see how many more. Come on, girls side.
129.6.
Now I can't go more than this. क्या 6 है? 6. What is this? Additions, इतना 3 variations I am. Out of the 3, all the 3 might be wrong. 1 might be right. Wait. Our standing people are there. आप दोनों में से जो भी पहला right answer बोलेगा सीधा. I don't know which is the right answer. Just check. In the volume they might have given behind. They have not given a good. अच्छा है ना? Calculator क्यों? Wait. Yes. Still doing. You get up. I said get up. You only said. I said get up.
Sir, I was saying.
I said get up. Please come here.
Sir, sorry, sir. Please. Sorry.
This is not a punishment to sit here.
Sorry, sir.
You will pull him out of the class. बोल दे रहे तेरा दोस्त को ईमानदारी थी. आ जा इधर फट से.
Sir, sorry, sir.
He knows me since long 1 year. I don't like the word SORRY. Come. I said come. Next time you are out.
Sir, answer ही बोला.
हाँ तो वो मैंने ही बोलने बोला. इधर बैठ. जा अंदर. Wait. Anybody from my left hand side? Yes, ma'am. 127.2. Perfect. So we have matched only one. Let's see. Who has told this? Good. 129. Anybody?
So 126.6.
ये कुछ ना है. She is my outstanding student. Good. At least one different answer. What's her name? Sambhavi has given 126. Ashi has given 127. So there are 2 votes going for this. Let's have an election.
सर
अभी बाकी सबको 0 वोट्स मिला है.
हाँ जी यही आंसर उसको बोला था मैंने.
तो अभी मेरे से बोल रहा हूँ. You keep quiet. It's like going on any work. Early morning I don't want to exercise my throat. Till 6:30 I am here.
6:30.
127.2. Okay, I can say 3 votes. I'll increase the number. I think 127 should be Ashi and good name, Ashi and Ashika. Achha. You had a camera called Ashika. करो ना मैडम, ऐड करो. ए एडिशन, हाँ 128.4. Nobody says wrong. Let's see. हाँ जी बोलिए. But how come I'm getting so many answers? नहीं, at least 3 में तो variations आना चाहिए क्या continuously नए जा रहे हैं. हाँ 120. So I'll try to write it here. Huh? So we are still waiting. 3 votes are given. If 5 votes are there, we'll go ahead. That's the answer. जिसका भी 127 नहीं आ रहा है.
Sir, 127.2.
Where is the attendance sheet? Sit down. Where is the attendance sheet? Give it to me. Oh. Anybody more? We have got 4 votes for this. So let's go for the majority now. आपको मिला? What wait? अच्छा ये मिला. ठीक है. Here I got 2 votes. हाँ. Sit down. He is coming with something new. I don't know where to put. चलो इसको डालो 1.1, 129.1. Look at the unity of the class. A math class में भी ऐसे होता है. सबका अलग-अलग आंसर.
नहीं sir,
129.2. हाँ. हाँ yes.
I got 129.2.
Oh my God. So now we have a close contest. 4 and 4. जिसको नहीं मिला दोबारा करो ना. हाँ.
Sir, वो 129.2 है.
पक्का. चलो 5. 6. हाँ. Come on. 129.2 is leading with 6 votes. बस इतना ही. अरे come on, Baka who is saying this? ये 127 वाला दोबारा ऐड करो. Everyone. Ashi also check and make these 6 voters wrong. The new boy, what's his name? Today only attending. Last time attending. कौन है ये नया कोई? मुझे नहीं मिला. Answer. Shall I show you the shortest method to do it? Everyone. देखो, listen. Pick up the volume. Without any fuss, you can do it. Oral or the abacus wala kuch bata dena technique. Listen. We are finding out rainfall, is it? I am starting from the month of December. And let us catch the decimal. Everyone look at the volume. It is 13.9. So I am going to add point के बाद जो भी number है वही add कर रहा. It is 9, 0, 15, 24. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
15 के बाद 20. 24 है? 24 कैसे? 24, 27, then 34. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
39, then it is 47, 47, then it is 55, 58, then 64. Then 64 and 66. Then 72. So everyone write there 72 के लिए 2 लिखना. This is how we teach the student. Wait. Let's put the decimal. And how much is remainder? 7. Let's take the decimal के बाद वाला पहला number. Are you understanding? Now I am starting with 3. If I am making mistake, please correct me. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 10. Then 17. Then wait. 17, 21.
18 आएगा ना?
Okay. Once again. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 0, 0. 9. Then 10. Then 18. 22. 25. 26. 27. 28. Then 32. Let's put 2 here. And I'm writing 3. Correct? Let's go with 3 now. Decimal ka second ka wala. 3 plus 1, 4, 7, 10. Then it is 11. भाई 3 तो उधर रखा है ना.
This is 7.
अच्छा हाँ 7 क्या था?
9 हो जाएगा. 7.
I'm so sorry.
9.
Then it is 3. Thank you. Let us go with that same. It is 3 plus 1, 4, 7, 10, 11, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, directly 12. और कुछ नहीं ना? Come on. Who all have got 129.2? So 6 votes have won. Come on, everyone, write that answer. 129.2. It's okay. It's a fun. Right? So all who have said 127, raise your hand. No problem. How many have got 127? Even I am 1, 2, 3. Just add 2. You are perfectly correct. And ये 128 ये सब तो odd में ना होता है. पता नहीं ये सब हमारा 11th 12th में है. तू क्या बोले?
Sir,
अब यहाँ आएंगे. ठीक है. Let's proceed with the next question. Come on. You read. Shut up and read. What is the annual range? Look at the board, everyone.
Okay.
When I use the word annual range, you have to take the highest month's temperature minus the lowest month. Please write the question number 3 like this in your notebook. And write annual range is equal to. Exam में board exam में ऐसे ही पूछते हैं. Come on, everyone, write. Annual range is equal to
highest minus lowest.
highest temperature. वो लिखना है. इधर जल्दी जाके समोसा खाओ. याद दिला. Highest temperature minus the lowest. Come on, इसका तो आंसर सबका सेम आना चाहिए. Highest month temperature minus the lowest month temperature. And write below what is highest and lowest and do the calculation. Yes, ma'am. 12.1. Wait, ma'am.
12.1.
Wait. And write the units also. Good boy. Come on, girls. Oh, sorry. What is the rainfall, na?
Temperature.
Temperature.
sir, 8.1.
Question क्या है? Annual range of temperature.
हाँ, sir.
I'm correct.
Sir, wrong is the
So, data.
Degree centigrade.
8.0.
Correct? Temperature है ना भाई? अच्छा, Celsius. I'm sorry. He's correct. He's correct. Thank you. How many have not got 12.1? Everyone have got. So revise all the 3 questions. The first question was asking what? The driest month. Second question was asking annual rainfall. And third was, is this question clear? Because in exam they will ask you separately and they will give you decimal point 0.1 से वो start करेंगे. Just to confuse you. 2 marks का रहेगा, ज़्यादा नहीं रहेगा. क्या 15 marks का चाहिए? Let us go to question number 20. Let's ask. She is going to read for us. There are how many questions following? 1, 2, and 3. Come on, read, Yashita. Please stand up, please. Study the climate.
Study the climate data given below and answer the questions that follow.
Ah.
Calculate the mean annual temperature.
Okay, sit down. Thank you. First, they are asking the word mean. What is the other word for mean? Average. Come on, average कैसे करेंगे? Add all, divide by 12. बस. टेम्परेचर ही पूछा है ना. आराम से करो, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. मीन का मतलब ही एवरेज आ जाएगा. We are in question number 19, correct? It's question number 19. First, add all months temperature. I'm so sorry. Thank you. Up till December, divide by 12. Now we should not get the votes like this. सब अपना अपना करो. The next person is these 2 guys are going to be thrown out. दोनों में से किसका वॉल्यूम नहीं है? क्यों नहीं? एक तो लेट आता है. वॉल्यूम किधर रखा है? Hey, we got a 15 minutes break, is it? जिसने भी घर में रखा है, I'm going to send them in a Ola auto.
आपका क्या?
हाँ, ऐसा तो वही देख रहा मेरे लिए. Right? Book the auto right now. अरे इसमें क्या है? जा घर पे मम्मी का भी मुंह देख के आता है. She'll be very happy. है ना? सुना? Next break में मुझे वॉल्यूम चाहिए, मुझे मालूम नहीं. Next break मतलब इसके बाद वाला लेक्चर में तेरे पास वॉल्यूम रहेगा. क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? क्या जुगाड़ करेगा तू? Feel free to ask me. Don't be in a Alice in Wonderland and if a boys को कौन सा Wonderland बोलेंगे? Ali in Wonderland. Alice and Ali. So बैठ इधर ही. I told you that you are not talking. It's okay. एक काम करना भाई, ये तुझे बहुत मिस कर रहा है. तू अंदर जा. What's his name? You please move it. Let your buddy come. नहीं तू अंदर इसको देखता हूँ. रुकना. ये 5 मिनट के बाद बाहर जाने वाला है. एक मिनट. 10th से कुछ मेंटल डेवलपमेंट हुआ है?
बिल्कुल नहीं सर.
अब वो मैं देखता हूँ. जा. फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट भी नहीं, मेंटल डेवलपमेंट भी नहीं. नो हरी, आराम से करना एंड डिवाइड बाय 12. तू ऐसा बोलता है जैसे कि मैं हिटलर के रूप में कर रहा हूं. But properly do it properly. What is the answer?
28.25 and you will be the
Divide by 12. Divide by 12. 28.25. Are you sure? Is the answer we have got the first one is 28.25, is it? What is the unit?
Degrees Celsius.
Very good. Degrees Celsius. Let's have the voting on this. Same? Oh, good. Same. अभी सब same बोलते हैं. चलो, good boy. All the boys have come first, and girls are not far behind. चलो, four voting. So we have to give them a bingo. Bingo का chips आता है. अरे बाप रे, सब voting उधर ही जा रहा है. So you become the next CR of my class. Hey, did I give any homeworks on that? Sure.
28.
Very good.
Pakka.
I am going to appoint in the second lecture end. Please remind me. One from the boys side who will check all my assignments with the students, and one from the girls side. So before I arrive, the books have to be checked. Correct? तू बोलने की जरूरत है, वो मैं देखेगा. अरे तुम लोग का ये आदत 9 से छूटा नहीं है. ये बोल रहा, तू क्या बोल रहा है वो मुझे बता. बस खत्म. And why are you मुंह दिखाई every time? तो क्या मुंह दिखाई का पैसे दिए तुझे? दे रहे शगुन का पैसा से. कल घूंघट उड़ क्या का पैसा? हाँ, मुंह दिखाई का पैसा मिलता दुल्हन को गांव में. तू है? Don't look at him time and again. He will confuse. Same, huh? Everyone? So we are having for the first time everyone. चलो. Second question. Come on. You read. नहीं चाहिए. मिल रहा ना right? Please stand up. What's your name? Grishma. अच्छा. G. Grishma. She is reading the second question. Come on. Wait. Question number 20. Second question. What is the total rainfall during the monsoon season? What we have to do? क्यों? बाकी मंथ में rainfall नहीं मिल रहा है? तो क्या हो गया? उन्होंने क्या बोला? During. I'm so sorry. Is correct. It is the question, what is the total rainfall during the monsoon? How will you know that is the monsoon season? Let's start with the month of March. How much is the rainfall? Come on everyone. How much is, don't do the addition. Let us go to April. How much? May. Look at June. Then July. August. September. October. November. And December. Now any one person will stand up. वही बताएगा. I will ask. Which monsoon this station is getting? Is the monsoon getting southwest or is the monsoon getting north? Only one person, he or she has to give the reason as well. Please read. देख लो अच्छे से data. Which rainfall does this climate season station get? Is it getting southwest or is it getting? If you say for this yes, why? If you say no or yes, why? Is it okay? Let's have. Come on. You need Manji. Come on, Manji. This. Manjini is answering. Wait.
Sir, I know.
Then you have to stand up.
Sir, I guess it is not.
Northeast. What is the reason?
Sir, because as we see, it's like June to September.
June to September is northeast. Wait.
Sir, it is southwest monsoon because it is the rainfall significance it is given in the it is given from the early June to
Sit down.
early September.
Right. Sit down. Sit down. Go ahead. Look here. His answer is absolutely right. He is saying southwest monsoon. Look at the monsoon in the month of June. How much it is?
45.
Is it a big jump? Big jump, Jan se leke, and up till it is September. Look at that. Is it in double digit? और फिर September के बाद क्या है? Is it in single digit? मतलब अभी खत्म हो रहा है ना, मतलब कम हो रहा है. फिर और नवंबर में क्या हो रहा है? और दिसंबर में almost. So you have to write पहला sentence लिखो. Right? Put question number 2. The above station, just 1 minute. हाँ, please. ये सब मैं कभी रोका नहीं. The above station gets southwest monsoon. पहले लिखना. The above station gets southwest monsoon. अभी ऐड करो. कहाँ southwest monsoon को अंडरलाइन करना. Put it inside the bracket June to September. Correct? Add all the 4 months. Yes, ma'am. 180.5 centimeters. Good boy. He has got the answer. Let's go for the voting now. 180.5 centimeters. If you know this, next question, start solving. Don't wait. So I'll solve one more question, then we'll get into the theory, where you can sit and relax. फिर मैं बकबक करेगा. Sorry, मैं lecture करेगा. 180.5. Two good friends. 180.5. 180.5 So everyone, it's congratulations to him. Okay, let's proceed with question number 3. Yes, somebody. South मैं explain करूँगा अभी बाकी है. Who will take up? She will take up. Third question. Your name dear? Zoya. Come on, Zoya. Others. Okay, sit down, please. Now look at the question. They are asking: is it a maritime or a continental? Now, how many of you guys understand what is maritime and what is continental? At least whatever you have understood. Question come on, get up. What's maritime and what's continental? Or if you know places in India, so try kar. What's maritime? Please. Very good. Good. I got the answer. Come on, anybody. Do we have places in India which has continental? तो जहां भी आपका क्वेश्चन में कॉन्टिनेंटल लिखा है ना, उधर लिखो एक्सट्रीम. छोटा सा लिख देना एक्सट्रीम. And what is maritime? You write moderate. अभी I'll give 2 example. I think मैं 9th में भी किया है, अभी 10th में भी करूँगा. How many of you know Mumbai? How many of you know Delhi? अभी केजरीवाल के नाम से दिल्ली तो जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगा. How many of you have seen the news clippings of Mr. Kejriwal now? कौन सा महल के बारे में ऐड चालू है अभी? शीश महल भाई साहब ने बांधा है. That's away from our topic. So when you go to Delhi during this season, how do you experience? Lou. What does it mean? Extremely hot. Let us फिर बोलता नहीं सर हम दिल्ली विंटर में जाएंगे. Is the winter also not good? We'll say extremely cold. You come to Mumbai, neither winters are severely cold, nor मैं heat बोल नहीं सकता because we are experiencing for a few weeks, is it? But वो तो global warming है. But वरना मुंबई कैसा रहता है? Moderate. So if it is maritime, as she was trying to say, neither too hot nor too cold. Like if you go to the beaches of Florida, हम गया है कुछ काम से, बीच में नहीं गया है और कुछ काम से गया है. Then you'll enjoy what is Florida. Scenery नहीं, the buildings, good. Then if you have gone to Goa, how many are? Everyone? मैं अभी तक नहीं गया. Beaches अच्छा है या churches अच्छा है? मतलब तुम लोग भगवान को देखने नहीं गए. तो I said church better. भाई सब जल्दी से जीसस से मिलने गए. Then I always feel Goa is the ultimate destination. Why? मुंबई से जो भी बच के जाता है पहला डेस्टिनेशन है अपना लोनावला एंड खंडाला, सस्ता और टिकाऊ है ना. और थोड़ा आगे जाना चाहता है, यू गो टू महाबलेश्वर. हैव यू गॉन? आर यू रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम द क्लाइमेट व्हाट वी आर इन मुंबई? बोलते नहीं सर, मेरा तो गोवा का प्लान है. बोले ठीक है, चिपलून या वो कोई तो स्टेशन मडगांव ना, उसके आगे जाएगा तो गोवा क्लाइमेट स्टार्ट्स. So I can say we are experiencing the climate what she told me, coastal. And किसी ने मुझे बोला सर मालवनी तड़का मिलेगा आपको. What is that मालवनी तड़का? Seafoods. So now you never forget what is maritime and what is continental. Then you want to go abroad, especially. You try moving towards the poles. Highest temperature is 15 degree. Summer का एक मिनट बोल लेंगे ना, मैं आता हूँ. Highest temperature is 15 where people are running in shorts and t-shirts jogging. फिर मैंने पूछा ये क्या है? बोलता very hot. और मैं पूरा कवर ओवर करके जा रहा हूँ उसके सामने. And the lady said, what is this? This is the hottest month. अभी आपके लिए और मेरे लिए 15 डिग्री हॉट है. हम बोलेंगे सर मैं घर के अंदर बट्टे का बाहर नहीं निकले. And then she told me you have to experience the winter. First day it was -1, second day it was -9, and third day onwards -15 to -25. यही range था. -25. तो can I say is it continental? Continental समझ में आया? So now you have to read the temperature of that station. Now come up to the conclusion. नहीं don't. पहला देख ले. हाँ temperature का भी है. पहला वो देख लो पढ़ो. If you are giving me maritime, tell me the reason. If you are giving continental, tell the reason. अभी Jan to December का analyze करो. Let's see how do you analyze. So maybe this question let us put as last. Then we'll start teaching. Huh? You guys are getting good, okay, or not good, okay?
It should be maritime because.
Achha, stand up. So now we've got an answer. He's saying it is maritime. The reasons?
So the reason is that there is no jump in the temperature.
From which month to which month?
So from Jan to December, there is no big jump other than May, June, July, August, and September.
Okay, very good. I'll take his viewpoint. He's saying June, July, and August. वो भी 30 and above ज़्यादा नहीं जा रहा है. And it is closing except in the month of 33 August. Very good. Anybody wants to say it is continental? Please stand. एक मिनट.
Too much. Temperature is not falling.
पहला आंसर तो बोल. अरे maritime है कि continental है? Very good. Sit down. I've got 2 votes for maritime. From here, anybody want to challenge? Want to anybody challenge? Maritime. Sab maritime. Anybody want to challenge? It's not continental. So please write the answer in your notebook. The above station experiences. मतलब वो जो भी जगह है. अच्छा यही तुझे बात पूछनी. The above station experiences. हाँ मैं समझ गया. The above type station experiences maritime climate since there is a steady or stable rise in the temperature closing to 30 and above centigrade only. देखो एक ही मंथ आगे जा रहा है उसके बाद वो भी ड्रॉप हो रहा है. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Only in the month of August it is 33. फिर उसके बाद सितंबर में again 30. Okay. So shall I give one question to you guys to solve? एक minute. There is one numerical में है. Study the climate question number 22. 22. They are asking annual rainfall. 22. Everyone start solving question number 1. Don't release the answer. I'll be coming around to check. So we are solving question number 22. Annual rainfall. You have to just add. Don't divide. Jan to December. Just add and keep the answer secret. Don't release it to anybody.
Sir, the question number 26, it is the answer is coming to only 206.
Yeah. This one.
200.6.
Why he is saying how many have got 200 here? He is suddenly saying, "Acha ye baad mein confuse ho jayega." Baad mein. Come on, everyone. 22 first question. Just add from Jan to December and keep the answer secret. I'll come round and check. How many are without the fair notebook today? Everyone. Good. Don't release the answer. Let it be there. Start solving the second question. What is the second question asking? 22. Suggest a name of the station. Don't go for question number 3. Name the season during which the rainfall is heaviest. Leave second, go for the third. I am not going to help for the third. Don't name the station. Name the month where the season is heaviest. Don't release the answer. Sit here.
Sir.
Be comfortable. Sit down. You didn't sign this. That's correct. Just give it. उसने sign किया बोल रहा है. Sign किया. तो तू दूसरा कोई नाम बता. Did you sign it initially? Yeah. Today only coming first time. Last class you were there. You got caught up in the list. So you pick up this volume. We are doing certain numericals, page number 8. Just take the help of your friends. Wait. Are we good to go?
Yes, sir.
And wait. Girls are not saying yes. Wait. Everyone have done?
Yes.
I am reading again page number 84, is it? Question number 22. Please everyone stop doing the calculation. Just listen to this. Study the climate data given below and answer the questions that follow. We have temperature in centigrade, Jan 23 and December is 26. Can anybody tell me the highest? Wait. Please, you tell me the highest temperature. Highest month's temperature. 22nd question. Wait, please. Temperature in centigrade. 73 किधर है? Which month it is?
July.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Anybody tell me the lowest month temperature? Which month it is?
January.
Is everybody right?
Yes.
Now let us ask me a question on rainfall. Who can tell me, Sambhavi, tell me the rainiest month and how much is the centimeters? Wait. Wait, she's finding. Yes. December. But there is October. Very good. Sit down, sit down. Very good. It is 20.1. Who can tell me the lowest month's temperature? Sorry, rainfall. 0.1. It is in the month of April. Now let us do the questions now. Calculate the annual rainfall experienced by the station. How many are getting 114.3? Very good. That's the right answer. Let us go to third question. Name the season during which the rainfall is heaviest. Wait. The question is asking season. It is not asking the month. We have two monsoon season in India. One is summer monsoon season, that is southwest, and winter monsoon is northeast. Winter monsoon 1 महीने के लिए रहता है, October to November. She is yawning continuously. And summer आके June to September है. Wait, look at the rainfall very carefully. Which month it is picking up and how long it is going over. Let's see. Let me catch the month of June. It is 4.5, 6.1, 10.2, 10.5. There's a jump. 20.1, 16.8 and 19.0. मतलब ये अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर में इसका रेनफॉल पिकअप हो रहा है. ये विंटर मानसून रहेगा या समर मानसून रहेगा? तो विंटर मानसून को हम लोग दूसरा नाम क्या बोलते हैं? प्लीज राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का आंसर. This station experiences winter monsoon or northeast. This is the way you have to catch the answer.
सर
हाँ
इसमें पानी गिरा है
हाँ ठीक है, तू उसके ऊपर बैठ. ये सब क्या है?
पूरा कितना सर
पानी के. Is third question clear? Let us come down to question number 2. Suggest a name of the station giving monsoon है ना. Suggest a name of this station giving reason for your answer. We had done 2 climate, maritime and continental. Wait. Let us see, is it maritime first? Maritime मतलब temperature हमेशा ज़्यादा high नहीं होता है. Continental temperature बहुत drop होगा. Let's see that. 23, 24, 26. Look at the month of June. ये summer season start होता है. 32, 33, 32, 30, 29, 28. Shall we say continental type? There is no fall in the temperature. Shall we say maritime climate? Please write down.
सर नेक्स्ट 24
नहीं, बस. Come on, help me to clean the board. Come, आजा तू यार. जिसको बोला वो. Now everyone pick up to the volume and explain page number. How many seasons did we complete? Just check. पूरा season complete किया? बस. So everyone pick up page number in your same volume. Seasons, page number 80. Now put the heading everyone in your notebook, seasons, and copy down as it is. 4 seasons. Then write the first heading. I am going to start. Thank you, my boy. Page number 80, we are doing with first season. Hot and dry summer season. I might have explained this season if you remember. Did I explain? Thank you. So everyone can close the notebook and your volume, just understand what I am explaining here. हाँ सर किया था. अच्छा एक बार रिविजन कर. How many are attending my lecture today only? Nobody. अच्छा. For them and for all my old friends जो मेरा पहला lecture attend किए. So when the heading is given this hot and dry, is the heading correct? Why do you say correct? Can I say hot and wet? No. Why it is dry summer season in India? No. Very good. No moisture. You feel the wind are generally dry, and it is hot because there is a steady increase in the temperature. Did I say from where to where? From south to north. You remember the highest temperature is recorded in Rajasthan. In your volume they have given Bikaner, not the samosa wala that we get it in our area. Bikaner, they have a region. Have you gone to Rajasthan anytime? Next time you ask any Rajasthani, he or she will tell you Bikaner is a place actually living. Then we have a place called Jaisalmer. Have you heard about? It has been recorded as the highest temperature in India. Last season, it was 54. 16 नहीं पहुंचा भाई तू क्यों मरवा रहा है? 54 degree. But उसका recorded temperature है 52. For you and me, we are unable to bear 37 के ऊपर जाएगा तो. Correct? Very able to bear. पक्का? अच्छा little. तो मतलब थोड़ा बाहर और थोड़ा अंदर. But imagine when it is rising to 49 degree. Sorry to say, if you have visited the lovely Dubai or so-called Dubai shopping festival, people say, "Sir, हम दुबई में पहुंचा है." क्यों? उधर का टेम्परेचर ऐसे ही बढ़ता है. मॉर्निंग में ही मैंने सुना है it starts with 44, 45, and by the time it is noon, 53, 54. फिर हमको अपना कॉस्ट्यूम चेंज करना पड़ेगा to reflect the sunlight. But मुंबई कर है एकदम gorgeous, colorful, या तो ऐसा कपड़ा पहनेगा जिससे attract होता है sunlight. So automatically you will feel the heat. Sorry, Dubai heat. मतलब costume change. Now you see where the sheikhs are wearing. So normally to explain this season, I say very 2 points. There is a setting up of ITCZ. Did I explain ITCZ? Can anybody tell me only the full form? Please stand up. मैं तेरे लिए इतना शर्मा रहा लड़का. When I use the word ITCZ, I said it is intertropical climatic zone. In board exam there was a 2 marks answer. What is ITCZ? बच्चे ने उसका full form लिख कर आया. Is the answer right? What do you have to write? वो भी मैंने उस दिन सिखाया था. What is ITCZ comes for 2 marks. What will you write? पहले बार ITCZ क्या होता है? There are people who are blinking up and down. Did I say this entire central zone? This is the month of May. Am I correct? Beginning में start हो जाता है. हाँ, who can tell me what is ITCZ? मैंने दिया भी रहेगा. Nobody have the bad habit of noting down from the board. हाँ, yes, good boy. Very good. उसके आगे और भी बोलना. ठीक है, sit down. Anybody? हाँ, yes, boy. Very good. He is saying the influence. Good. But what is ITCZ? Nobody, please write down now. पहले उसका full form लिखो. I'm going to make a small electronic notebook where you guys are allowed to interact with me for your studies very soon. वो मैं separate site बनाने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, देखते हैं बन गया तो अच्छा है. Anytime you can put your queries within 24 hours, I'll respond to you. Happy? You can share your thoughts, and I want to be connected with my students till the board exam. वो मैं देख लूँगा. तू तेरे बारे में बात कर. वो मैंने मेरा टेक्निकल बंदा को बोला, फायरवॉल ऐसा बना, किसी ने कुछ गड़बड़ किया ना, सीधा मेल उसका मम्मी या डैडी को जाने. चलो राइट डाउन. ITCZ full form लिखा. It is a zone of high temperature and low pressure. It is a zone of high temperature and low pressure. Shall I repeat? It is a zone of high temperature and low pressure which sets in the month of May. Over central part of India. Next lecture, I'll be checking all your fair notebook with all my notes. Sets in the over the central India. Central India. One more sentence. It is primarily responsible for attracting or setting up of monsoons in India. Primarily responsible for setting up of monsoons in India. Underline the word monsoons. Bracket में कौन सा लिखेगा? SW or NE? What is SW? It is primarily responsible for setting up of the monsoons in India. Bracket में लिखो southwest. बस उतना ही. Now again look into the board. I said there is a gradual increase of temperature from where to where? From south to north. This season, if now what we are experiencing, forces setting up of this delayed, your monsoons will be delayed. If this sits properly in the month of May, second, third week, you can expect this season, please observe, June 10th तक अपना rainfall strike होगा. अगर ये properly time पे set होता है. Then we have two parts of India, if you remember. One is Andaman Nicobar Island and other is Kerala, which gets the which rainfall? First rainfall of India. This rainfall is known as which shower? Mango shower. Especially in Kerala, helps in the ripening of mangoes. एक minute बोल देता हूँ. If you have tasted the nearby Alfonsos, which are good in numbers, sorry to say they pluck it early. They put certain chemical powder. I don't want to name that powder. That is very dangerous for your health. And it will ripe the Alfonso much before to it. Are you understanding? Sorry to say, those who are getting this heat boils. Samjha? And both boys and girls, especially girls, they consume more of these mangoes. You can visibly see because of that powder. Whereas if you go to some parts of rural India, why not in Maharashtra, they won't pluck it unless and until it gets ripened in the tree. Abhi papaya, if you are a good fan of papaya, you could have seen papaya of this much size also, as big as a watermelon. But sorry to say, I've eaten papaya which is less bigger than a brinjal. But to be very frank, that was more sweeter and more good for your health. Why? Oh, papaya tree mein hi hua. But these papayas that come to your house, you see this much big is it? Again, they do all kinds of things. They have certain insulin injection which they inject into the vegetables and the fruits. Ek chota, if you are a big fan of watermelon now, if your watermelon tastes more like a sugar or chacrine, you know what is chacrine? 100% sure they have injected some unwanted medicines into it. And if it does have a patch, green mein yellow color ka patch rahega dekho, then it is mutilated. What does it mean? हमारा इंडिया एक ही कंट्री है जहां सब्जी को भी टाइम नहीं देता, उसके पहले उसको ग्रो करने बोलते. Are you understanding? Now we have something called as biological farms. You know what are biological? Hydroponics. I have attended one meeting in somewhere in Lonavala where one person from US came and he was saying you will get a tomatoes of this much size. उसको लोग cherry tomatoes बोलता है. 400 gram will cost you close to 200 rupees. 200. अब बोलेगा उतना tomatoes मम्मी को. But that is grown without the soil and that is grown without huge amount of water. फिर grow कैसा होता है? I experienced that gentleman was explaining. Abhi, have you seen this Nutri-Fresh ka farm? I am in touch with one of the owner of that company, Mr. Sanket. अगर आप कभी मेरा IG वगैरह में आएगा इस डे, तो संकेत से मेरा बात हुआ. उसने बोला कि हम लोग ये मुंबई से स्टार्ट किया. They are spreading all over India. Why? Now there are certain hotels who uses tomatoes and vegetables only of this. अगर आपने spinach देखा है, पालक, only this much size. Can you imagine हमारा भैया जो बेचता है इतना बड़ा पालक, and that is not at all good for your health. उसको लोग बोलता है baby spinach. उसे baby क्यों बोलता है? उसका इतना ही बड़ा होता है. And one bunch, I think 100 gram, I was also involved in some program, they will cost you close to 75 rupees. But 75 ka ye tomatoes, then we have cooked also. He was showing some, and when we tasted it, far good. Are you understanding? So next time you can be a part of such programs. And I've already told to the department I will be taking some of my ICSE batches any nearby place close to the topics. जैसे मैंने 2 साल पहले उनको बोला था I'll take them to Uran, JNPT, port. So अगर this year if we get time and you are happy to join us, I will take you to that JNPT port. Uran में है मालूम है कितना? So that our lectures becomes more, because we have a chapter called that. So we always believe you students have to be taught practically what is happening outside. Correct? So when you start this monsoon, ये behavior आपको दिखेगा. And when I'm going to start the monsoon, there is one phenomena. If you remember, I might have explained this also. Any idea what is this? अभी जो rainfall महाराष्ट्र का मिल रहा है, is it burst of monsoon? No. Yes, I don't know. I was traveling to Malad yesterday in a cab, taking my mom to certain medical. Suddenly there was some good downpour. The fellow was from Pune. He told कि Pune के आगे तो इससे भी heavy rainfall गिर रहा है. I told him these are non-seasonal rainfall. Satara में भी है. But are they seasonal rainfall or non-seasonal? Why do you say? अभी तो जून आ रहा है ना. मई चल रहा है. So ये जो rainfall है ना, it's all thanks to the global warming. It's more like than you go to London, no need to go, you can see it in the maps also. Morning they will get good rainfall. Afternoon high sunshine. By the time you return from your school or college, snowfall. अब बोलेगा ये country है क्या पहचाना? ऐसे ही होता है. That country is confused like the prime minister of that country. We always believe Mumbai ऐसा नहीं है. We will get June first week. देखो by the time your school reopens, you have to search for your umbrellas, jackets or whatever. Then the season start. But ये जो rainfall it is very dangerous for the crops, very dangerous for your health. Why? ये seasonal rainfall नहीं है. But अपना जो rainfall start होगा वो ऐसे होगा, that is actual. So write this heading in your notebook. Burst of monsoon. ये actually summer के साथ नहीं है, second season के साथ start होगा. Sudden burst of monsoon, right?
Yes, sir.
Sudden occurrence of thundering and lightning. Sudden occurrence of thundering and lightning before the actual beginning of monsoons in India. Before the actual beginning of monsoon in India. Right, June to September. So now you can write question. Describe, which I am going to give the answer. You have to prepare answers exactly. The hot and dry summer season in India. Describe the hot and dry summer season in India. Before I start giving the answer, I want somebody to only read loudly for the whole class. It's page number 80. Anybody voluntarily? Let's have Sambavi only reading. Come on, stand up and read, please. So she's reading page number 80. I'm not going to ask you to mark, but you mark on your own. Correct that? Mark that. उस दिन हम लोग ने रीड किया ये. ठीक है, बैठ जाओ. Then I'm giving the answer. Thank you. Summer season in India. Point number 1.
Of hot and dry.
Yes. Summer season in India begins with I'll go very slow. I'll repeat the sentence twice. Summer season in India begins with vertical sun rays. Bracket you can write direct. Summer season in India begins with vertical sun rays. Inside the bracket, vertical over major parts of India. Vertical sun rays over major parts of India. Second point. There is intense heat. There is intense heat. Dash or hyphen. Steady increase from. There is intense heat dash steady increase from south to north. Next point. Highest temperature recorded. highest temperature recorded. Hyphen Rajasthan. Inside the bracket you write 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. Highest temperature recorded. Rajasthan, inside the bracket 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. Continue, same point. Thar Desert in Rajasthan. Thar, Thar.
So there is
No, continue. Because we are still with Rajasthan. Thar Desert in Rajasthan shows the high intensity. Of this season. Shows high intensity of this season. Next point. Due to high temperature, comma, a low pressure develops. Everybody understand temperature and pressure? A low pressure develops over the land leading to the rise of thunderstorms with dusty winds dash happens or takes place. Continue. Mainly in Assam. ये thunderstorms and West Bengal. Assam, Assam or Assam, whatever. Spelling is Assam. They want to challenge my pronunciation. Assam and West Bengal. The next point. These local winds, next point, are referred as Kal Vaishakhi. It's right here. Anybody make fun? ये पूरा ग्रुप को है ना उठा के बाहर फेंकना. इसने बोला, फिर वो बोल रहा है, काल वैशाखी. In the month of April or May. I could see many students are in a yawning frame. It's okay. Freely yawn karo. Don't cover the mouth. Let the yawning spread throughout the class. But I feel it should not aid it. I should not be affected by it. I'm welcome. मैं अभी next lecture में मैं वो भी प्रबंध करता हूँ. Did I say April and month dash डालना good for tea in Assam. तो मैं next lecture में जो सबसे बड़ा यौन और ज्यादा देर यौन कर रहा है उसके लिए कुछ रिवॉर्ड या अवार्ड देने का सोच रहा हूँ. Tea in Assam, good for tea in Assam, comma, jute and rice in West Bengal. Jute and rice in West Bengal. Semicolon. You understand semicolon, na? Mangoes in Kerala. Same point and mangoes in Kerala. Hyphen डाल दो उधर. Referred as mango shards. Mango shards. Along with cherry blossoms in Karnataka. Along with cherry blossoms in Karnataka. Now take 2 minutes. Please read this. We will start the next season in next 5 minutes. हाँ जी
एग्जाम में अगर ये क्वेश्चन आंसर
वो 4 मार्क के लिए आएगा डोंट वैल्यू योर पॉइंट 1 पॉइंट का 1 मार्क मैं 1 पॉइंट का आधा भी नहीं दूँ आई नो योर क्वालिटी ऑफ द पॉइंट्स so if it is a 4 marks answer please write minimum 8 points don't curtail your answer because मुझे याद है my best essay जिसको स्कूल ने अवार्ड भी दिया था out of 10 marks she gave me 6.5 because मैंने जाके इंग्लिश मैम से पूछा मैम you only told this is the best essay but I have the right to cut your marks तो इंग्लिश इज वन लैंग्वेज मैं अभी तक मेरा लाइफ में 88 से आगे कभी नहीं बढ़ पाया हाँ एक बार मेरा मैम ने गलती से 88 का नाम दे दिया बट अभी मैंने देखा है इंग्लिश में 100 संस्कृत में 100 हिंदी में भी 100 ना यू गाइज आर वेरी टैलेंटेड और द बोर्ड हैज बिकम वेरी समझा ना दयालु ऑन यू तो यू कैन अभी पता नहीं ये और 2 महीने में अपना रिजल्ट आ जाएगा एंड सर विल बी टेकिंग अ बिग प्रोग्राम इन दिस मैरिटाइम करके एक इंस्टीट्यूट है ना टुवर्ड्स दैट सीवुड एंड अगर आपका नियर एंड डियर रिलेटिव्स है तो यू कैन अटेंड यू विल सी मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स मैथ साइंस के साथ ज्योग्राफी एंड गोल्ड मेडल जाता ही रहता है एंड सर डज इट विद अ ग्रेट डेडिकेशन और हमको अच्छा लगता है और हमारे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स पेरेंट्स के साथ आते हैं वो सब बाद में देख लेना I want you guys to be one among them, not this academic year. At least the 24-25 will be. Go answer it. Chalo.
yes sir
Please read it. Let us go to season number 2. Hey, is this answer quite okay? एक बार read कर लो. Happy. Then let us write second season. Did I explain second season as well?
no sir
अच्छा ठीक है ओनली हेडिंग डालो मैं पूरा डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करता साउथ वेस्ट में now we will come ओए you come clean the board आजा thank you before everyone write down second heading I am going to explain thank you I think all my wonderful students are a part of my lectures है ना So just understand this season very carefully. Anybody in good in drawing? Can anybody help me to draw the peninsula?
sir
ठीक है मैं ही बना देता listen next lesson right ninth somewhere asking me peninsula ICSE बनाने का somewhere making in the notebook like this India का peninsula इतना भी wide नहीं है correct so when I call this season today I have come with a positive frame of mind early morning especially some but they time and again ask me to do that जो मुझे नहीं करूँ वो जो तुम लोग मुझे फोर्स कर रहे हैं वो बताओ everyone understand this peninsula why it is called as peninsula
surrounded by water.
मेरा बाथरूम में भी तीनों साइड पानी है shall I say that as peninsula you have to write big landmass please understand this normally the southwest monsoon begins like this so we have the first branch Arabian Sea branch the second branch Bob branch this is second branch normally it is the last month of May with the help of ICSE these winds move into India where we call these winds as trade winds now there is a historical reason why they call this as trade winds और इसको हम easterlies भी बोलते हैं ये wind क्या करता है when it blows from the Indian Ocean it picks up lots of moisture and enters India. When it enters India, Arabian Sea, it picks more moisture. When it comes into Bay of Bengal, it picks more moisture. So the entire wind is so much moisture. We call these winds entering India as moisture. Come on, who can complete? Laden winds. What are moisture laden? It is full of moisture. So which process is taking place Is it evaporation or condensation? नहीं, एक मिनट, हवा पहला मॉइस्चर पिकअप करे उधर ही कंडेंस हो जाता है. It's evaporation, correct? Let us bring our giant Himalayas into the picture now. नहीं, अभी पहले सुन तो लो. When I use the word Himalayas, people tell me only one thing. Sir, you should go to Mount Everest once. मतलब तू रिटर्न मत आओ, उधर ही चले जाओ. Because whoever gone to see the Mount Everest, उनको अभी तक हम लोग ने जिंदा नहीं देखा. हाँ, never came back. It's correct. Many, very few people, उनका जो toes है, पैर का toes, 10 में से 4-5 गायब हो गया. It has to be amputated. इतना freezing temperature है उधर. And I told you about. How many of you know this Mount Kailash? They say it is a perfect specimen of time travel. I know some might be fascinated what is time travel. It has been proven the mountain climbers took close to 1 year going up and coming down, and they returned back to their motherland. They died within 6 months, and they died because they reached the age of 62 years. जब climb हुआ, he was hardly 37. अभी एक साल के अंदर भाई साहब 62 में कैसे बचा, nobody knows, and he died next 3 months. तो जो पोस्टमार्टम का रिपोर्ट लिखा था, died of the age factor. अभी सोचो एक साल में उसका एज किधर गया. So I'll show you a video, not now, maybe next lecture, how this Kailasha is a perfect pyramid that you pass into it and come back, you are getting into time travel. So time travel is not a Hollywood thinking. India में reality है. So if you want to catch any good teacher and you want to put it in time travel, Kailasha has, yes, it's proven, and not only the scientists but even the mathematicians have calculated इतना जल्दी इसका age कैसे हुआ. So I can tell you the reason, but अभी मैं थोड़ा avoid करूँगा. Mount Kailash, India में. Guys, come back. हाँ, मैं सोच रहा हूँ, तुझे पहले छोड़ दिया. Guys, you understand? When I say Himalayas, look here. These winds are entering India. This might be June 1st. I'm saying June 1st. Now the clouds have formed. It is going and striking Himalayas. It is not going and striking Himalayas. Himalayas is acting like our RTO police officer. Without the helmet, he is catching us. And मैंने बहुत सारे अपने स्टूडेंट्स को ही देखा है. हेलमेट को छोड़ो, 1 and 3, और जैसे ही वो ट्रैफिक पुलिस को देखता लेफ्ट राइट मारता है, कुछ नहीं, सीधा ट्रैफिक पुलिस के पास छोड़ दिया. अंकल वो क्या है ना, मम्मी ने अर्जेंटली मेडिसिन लाने बोला तो मैं जा रहा हूँ. तो ट्रैफिक मेरे सामने ही हुआ, तो ट्रैफिक पुलिस 3, हाँ अंकल वो मैं मेडिसिन भूल जाता हूँ ना, तो ये याद दिलाता है. तो तीसरा कौन है, सर उसी के पास पैसा है. तो हेलमेट क्यों नहीं पहना, वो अर्जेंट में भूल गया. और गाड़ी का पेपर्स किधर है, घर में है. और ट्रैफिक पुलिस को बोला अंकल आप जल्दी छोड़ो वरना मम्मी है ना बहुत सीरियस है. एंड दे एस्केप. बट द ट्रैफिक पुलिस आर वेरी स्मार्ट एनफ, दे पुट यू इनटू ट्रबल. सो सोच लो हिमालयस हमारे लिए कौन है, ट्रैफिक पुलिस. स्टॉपिंग whom? The clouds. So by June 5 or 6 they reach here. Exact नहीं है, approximate. And once the clouds are stopped, condensation begins. You understand what is condensation? The molecules become bigger and bigger. Generally ऐसा होता है, by June 10th, our first part, which part? Kerala gets the first shower. So it is the beginning of which monsoon? Southwest monsoon. To be very frank, I say 80% of the India's rainfall is received from this. So Indian farmers, Indian students and Indian teachers. Farmers तो समझ में आता है, स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स का क्या पहला टीचर सिख के लिए हमारा बच्चा प्रे करता है, ऐसा बड़ा फ्लड आना चाहिए. मैथ टीचर गिरना तो चाहिए, रिटर्न नहीं आना चाहिए. एंड हमारा एसएसटी में एक है बहुत खड़ूस है, उसको तो फ्लड नहीं साइक्लोन में फंसा देता है. एंड देन ही और शी विल रिमेंबर मी, इतना लड़की के सामने मैंने इंसल्ट किया. एंड वी आर प्रेइंग फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स, जो मुझे सबके सामने इतना तंग करता है कि अच्छा पानी में लेके जा. and school के अंदर ही drop कर, return बाहर मत लेकर. Why I'm giving this reason? Because every time Indian monsoon comes up with two things. One is called vagaries. Did I explain vagaries? Variations. There is no fixed time it will start. Sometimes it gives 4 months rainfall in only 2 months. Sometimes it does not give 4 months rainfall even in 4 months. It starts early, moves early. Starts late, moves late. Starts no time. And nikal bhi jata. So every time Indian farmers are experiencing which problems of monsoon? Vagaries. Ye samjha? One more words I'll give you that we call it as uncertainty. Anybody what is uncertain from monsoon? It is normally in two aspects. One, time. Second aspect is in quantity. What does quantity means?
Amount of rain.
Yes. The rainfall timing is not fixed. मैं June बोलता हूँ. Sometime it might start in the month of July. And निकल जाएगा August first week में बाहर चले जाएगा. Sometime it might start in the month of last week of May. Are you understanding what I'm saying? It all depends on what ICSE. What about quantity? हमारा farmer बोलता है कि rainfall should be something like this: 2 days rainfall, 2 days dry. 2 days rainfall, 2 days dry. That is what good for agriculture. But do you think rainfall is going to listen to you and me? I remember, I think I was in my ICSE which standard, I think 10th only, I'm not very clear. It rained for continuously 4.5 days, continuously. I could imagine I was in the 3rd or the 4th floor where I was living in Mumbai. First and second floor was full of water. And they have to be placed in the terrace of the building. And the 5th day, rainfall drizzle, and 6th morning, rainfall bandu. 1 to 4 days we are having good rainfall, heavy thunder. What I am saying, it is wanted. Are you understanding? So it is vagaries and uncertain. Absolutely clear. So we started with the setting up of which monsoons? Trade winds in the month of May, entering India from two directions, Bob and Arabian Sea, striking by the Himalayas, and rainfall starts. That is which season? Southwest. How much rainfall it gets? 80%. पूरा इंडिया को मिलता है except two parts of India. One is Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. उसको कौन सा rainfall मिलेगा? Northeast. Is it absolutely clear? Shall we write this also? Okay, right. So we have good 5 minutes. Try to finish it, and you can enjoy your 15 minutes break. Monsoons in India. ठीक है, कर लो सेकेंड लेक्चर में सबका फिर थोड़ा सा स्क्रू टाइट करते हैं. Monsoons in India begins with girls भी, हाँ बिल्कुल बिंदास. ये जितना आवाज लंगूर की तरह करती उससे बड़ा आवाज यहाँ से आना चाहिए. It's like that animal which beats the chest and creates the noise.
Natural power, sir.
Natural है, वो दिख रहा है. Monsoons in India begins with the setting up of ICSE. ऐसा लिखना है. सोच रहा है. Monsoons in India begins with the setting up of ICSE. Second point. मैं तेरा भी बात सुना नहीं, चुपचाप लिख. It is the southwest monsoon winds. It is the southwest monsoon winds which gives rainfall. Which gives rainfall from June to September. That's more than 80% of India's rainfall. Southwest monsoon rainfall more than 80% of India's rainfall. Next point. 80% of India's rainfall. Winds enter India. Winds enter India. In bracket, you have to write which winds? Trade winds. Winds enter India from. There only you write 1, Arabian Sea, you can write one below or in the same line. Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. Next. Next point. There is a sudden thunder and lightning. What do we call that? मैंने पहले ही दे दिया. Burst of monsoon. Announcing or announce the formal beginning of monsoons in India. ये दोनों टाइम announcing the formal beginning of monsoons in India. ये दोनों टाइम दिखेगा, ending में भी दिखेगा, beginning में. Last point I said. Of rainfall in India. Next point or the last point? Heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall throughout the country. As per, ASPER. The monsoonal calendar. एक कोई नया कैलेंडर नहीं है, वो आपको अभी बताएंगे क्या है. As per PER, the monsoonal calendar. एक कुछ नया दिखा ना, you can ask me. Eyes only. ये क्या है monsoonal calendar? या भी ये गूगल में डालेंगे monsoonal calendar. मैं बताऊंगा. Starting from Kerala and Andaman. Starting from Kerala and Andaman. Across the length and breadth of the country. Across the length and breadth of the country. Change the para. Across the length and breadth of the country. Change the para. Highest rainfall in India. बस एक ही word. Highest rainfall in India recorded at page number 81. The spelling is there. Mausin Ram.
Spelling was
Take that. I'll see. 81 page number. Go to the last para. Mausin Ram in Meghalaya. Due to Mausin Ram in Meghalaya due to funnel shaped structure valley trapping the monsoon. Thank you.